Jack is in Korea. This is his first day. Everything looks new. The city is busy. Jack walks on the street. He sees a cafe. He goes inside. The cafe is quiet. The place is clean and warm. Jack walks to the counter. A woman is there. She smiles. Jack. Hello? Barista. Hello? Welcome. Jack looks at the menu. The menu is in Korean. Jack. I want a coffee, please. Barista. Sure. Small or large? Jack. Small, please? Barista. Milk? Jack. Yes, please. Barista. Anything else? Jack. Yes. I want a sandwich, please. Barista. Chicken or cheese? Jack. Cheese, please. Barista. Is this your first time in Korea? Jack. Yes, this is my first time here. Barista. Welcome to Korea. Jack. I am new here. What places should I visit? Barista. You can visit the palace. You can walk in the old streets. Jack. Where can I hang out? Barista. You can go to cafes. You can go to night markets. Jack. That sounds nice. Barista. You can also visit parks. People relax there. Jack. Thank you for the advice. Barista. Here's your coffee and sandwich. Jack. Thank you very much. Jack. How much is it? Barista. It's $5. Jack pays. Jack. Thank you. The cafe is very nice. Barista. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jack. You too? Jack leaves the cafe. He feels comfortable in Korea.